Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make this super delicious herb pancake today. We need 2 eggs, 400 milliliters milk, 150 milliliters room temperature water, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 300 grams of all-purpose flour, I save half of it for my breakfast for the next few days. For the herb, I use dill today. Use low heat. When the color almost 90% changed, add some oil. Let's stir fry some potatoes. Soak in the water, wash away the starch. Some garlic. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of dark vinegar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder, half cup of cooked ground pork, 1 tablespoon of chili oil. Add some herb on the top. Dinner's ready! super delicious. Please give a like if you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Saving and sharing with your friends. Ring the bell, then you won't miss my future new videos. Thank you so much for watching.